Our world is about to witness something that has never happened before. A second moon will appear in the night sky. Yes, you heard that right. An asteroid set to orbit the Earth for the first time. Earth will have two moons. This isn't science fiction, it's real. An asteroid on course to orbit the Earth will appear as a second moon in our sky. Imagine the power. Two moons pulling at our world, shifting energies and stirring up the balance we've known for millennia. This double lunar event is unlike anything we've witnessed before. It will change not only how the sky looks, but how we feel. Lunar energy has always impacted human emotions, spiritual practices, and the natural world. Now that energy is about to double, you may question, what does this mean for us? That's exactly what I'm about to reveal. Stay tuned, because what happens next might just shake your world. Let's talk about the energy shift. Two moons mean twice the power, twice the influence, and potentially twice the chaos. This comes with many implications. Think about it. Lunar energy already plays a huge role in shaping our emotions, our behaviors, and even natural events like tides. Now, with the appearance of a second moon, we're stepping into uncharted territory. The energy from this event is expected to heighten emotional intensity, causing everything from sudden mood swings to erratic behaviors. This isn't just an internal shift. The world around us will feel it too. Technology could malfunction. Communication may become more erratic, and even weather patterns might become unpredictable. But what's even more important, and is the spiritual significance. In many cultures, the moon represents balance and harmony. With two moons, that balance could be disrupted, forcing us to confront deeper, unresolved aspects of ourselves. Are you prepared for the emotional, spiritual, and even physical turbulence that's coming? Because this double lunar event could push each of us to the edge. Lunar energy has always had a deep impact on human behavior. Historically, people have associated full moons with heightened emotions, erratic behavior, and spiritual shifts. Now, with two moons pulling on the tides of our energy fields, we're stepping into an unknown realm. This double lunar event will amplify emotional highs and lows. You may feel unusually sensitive, restless, or even overwhelmed, but there's more spiritually. This is going to open doors that have been locked within you. Old emotional wounds might resurface, and suppressed desires or fears will come into the light, urging you to face them head-on. In many spiritual traditions, the moon is seen as the keeper of hidden knowledge, intuition, and inner reflection. Now, with two moons, it's as if the universe is demanding us to look deeper within ourselves, to confront the parts of our soul we've been ignoring. You might experience intense dreams, sudden insights, or even spiritual breakthroughs. This isn't just a time of chaos, it's a time of transformation. You have a choice. You can either let the heightened lunar energy pull you into emotional turbulence, or you can use it as a tool for profound spiritual growth. This double moon is calling you to awaken to new aspects of your spiritual journey. You may feel pulled toward meditation, introspection, or even rituals that help you channel this energy into something meaningful. Don't fight these emotions. Embrace them. Allow the two moons to guide you into a deeper understanding of who you are and where you're headed. It's not just you that will be affected. Our entire planet is about to feel the energy shift. The Earth's energy field is constantly in motion, influenced by the gravitational pull of celestial bodies like the moon. With two moons in orbit, that gravitational influence will double, creating a ripple effect not just in nature but in global events. Expect an increase in seismic activity, unpredictable weather patterns, and even a shift in the magnetic field. Earthquakes, storms, and other natural phenomena may spike as the planet adapts to this new cosmic influence. It's as if the Earth's core is being stirred, its foundations rattled by this sudden celestial imbalance. But this isn't just about natural events. Human systems like technology and communication networks may also feel the strain. The heightened lunar pull could cause technological malfunctions. Signals might drop. Devices could glitch, and systems we rely on daily could falter under the pressure of this unprecedented cosmic force. There's even a theory that suggests that when the Earth's energy field is disrupted, human consciousness is affected as well. It's possible we could see a collective shift in thought, a mass awakening, or even a rise in global unrest as people struggle to cope with the intense energy surging through them. Are we ready for this? Whether we are or not, it's happening. The question is how we prepare ourselves. The key is grounding in moments like these when the universe throws something so massive. Our way, it's easy to feel lost or unmode. But grounding ourselves through meditation, nature, and deep inner work will help us ride out the storm and emerge stronger on the other side. In the presence of two moons, your soul's deepest truths can no longer hide. This double lunar event is not just a cosmic spectacle, it's a spiritual trigger. The energy radiating from this event will push every one of us toward a new level of spiritual awakening, whether we're ready for it or not. But understand, this spiritual growth often comes through discomfort, through chaos, and through moments that challenge our very foundation. When the gravitational forces of two moons act upon the Earth, they also pull on the energetic fabric of our reality. This can stir up things you've buried deep within: memories, emotions, fears. Old patterns will rise to the surface, demanding to be acknowledged and healed. This may feel overwhelming. You might find yourself more emotionally reactive or struggling with thoughts and feelings that seem to come out of nowhere. But remember, chaos is the womb from which transformation is born. Instead of resisting these feelings, embrace them. They are the universe's way of guiding you toward spiritual evolution. These moments of heightened tension and inner conflict are the signals that you are on the edge of a breakthrough. And as you move through this, you'll find that the clarity and peace you've been searching for will reveal themselves just on the other side of the music storm. When two moons light the sky, the universe is asking you to realign with your highest truth. This event is about more than just energy and chaos. It's about alignment. The presence of two moons is a cosmic invitation to reassess where you are in life and how aligned you are with your true purpose. Everything that feels misaligned, relationships, career, even the way you see yourself, will become glaringly obvious during this period. This is a time to evaluate and let go of what no longer serves you. Ask yourself, what are the things, people, or habits in my life that are keeping me from fully stepping into my true self? But here's the deeper truth. You cannot hide from the universe, just as you cannot hide from yourself. As these two moons rise, they shine a light on everything. Your strengths, your weaknesses, your truth, and your fears. This is your opportunity to confront what you've been avoiding. The dual moon energy is a mirror reflecting back at you the areas of your life where you need to grow, change, or take a leap of faith. Use this moment to re-enter yourself. Reconnect with your soul's deepest desires. This cosmic event is pushing you toward a higher state of alignment, urging you to step into the path you are meant to walk. Whether that means letting go of something or someone, or stepping into a new version of yourself, now is the time. Just as the tides are pulled by the moon, so too are we drawn toward a higher truth. The effects of this double lunar event won't be limited to just individuals. It will have a profound impact on the collective consciousness of humanity. With two moons in our sky, the gravitational forces will create a shift in the Earth's energy field, and with that, a ripple effect will be felt throughout the world. This energetic pull will affect everyone, even those who are unaware of the significance of this moment. You may notice an increase in tension around you. People may seem more irritable, conflicts could arise more frequently, and emotional outbursts might become the norm. But know this. The chaos around you is simply a reflection of the transformation happening within you in times of great energetic shifts. Humanity often experiences a collective upheaval. This can manifest as political unrest, social changes, or even natural disasters. But remember, this isn't a sign that the world is falling apart. It's a sign that the old structures are breaking down to make way for something new. This is a period where the unseen forces of the universe will push humanity toward greater self-awareness. Those who are tuned into the spiritual frequencies will feel this shift more intensely as the double moon energy amplifies their sensitivity. You may feel called to act as a guide for others to help those around you navigate the emotional and spiritual turbulence that this event will bring. The two moons are a reminder. What seems unfamiliar, familiar, is often the gateway to our deepest evolution. One of the most challenging aspects of this double lunar event is the uncertainty that it brings. We are entering uncharted territory, something that hasn't happened before in our lifetime. The presence of two moons is symbolic of duality, of the balance between light and dark, known and unknown. But with it comes a powerful lesson to evolve. We must learn to find comfort in the unknown. You may feel a strong sense of anticipation as September 29th approaches. This is natural. The energy of two moons brings with it a heightened sense of urgency. But instead of fearing what you don't know, embrace it. The unknown holds the key to your greatest transformation. When we step into the unknown, we shed the limitations of our past selves and open ourselves to new possibilities. This is the time to surrender. Let go of the need to control the outcome and trust that the universe is guiding you toward your highest good. The double moons will illuminate the path forward, even if you cannot yet see where it leads. Think of this moment as a rebirth. Just as the moons will shift the energy of the earth, they will shift the energy within you. Your fears, your doubts, your worries. They all belong to the old version of you. The version that existed before this cosmic event. Now you are being called to step into a new version of yourself, one that is ready to face the unknown, with courage and grace. With the arrival of this rare double lunar event, a portal to new possibilities will open for those who are ready to embrace it. The celestial alignment of two moons will amplify the energy available to us, pulling forth untapped potential that has been lying dormant within each of us. You may find yourself suddenly filled with creative energy, a desire to make bold moves, or take steps that you've previously been hesitant to pursue. This is not coincidental. The two moons are working in harmony to help you shed the final layers of resistance. The universe has always been conspiring for your growth. And now, under the double moon, that growth will accelerate during this time. Pay close attention to the signs and synchronicities around you. The universe communicates through subtle messages, and the energy of this event will heighten your intuition if you're still watching. I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and subscribe for more insightful content.